I'm here to give a project demo on a task management application which was given as a demo for the internship opportunities. So I have created a task management application, and this is the landing page. Here we have the sign up and the login options. If you click on the sign up page turns on. You can give any username. Let us say tester is a username, and for example, if there is a uh, email, you have to give an email. This is the email which is used. I'm giving a password, temporary password, and once signed up, it is pushed to the dashboard. This is the dashboard. Here you can see I have fetched the profile pic API as given in the task requirements. This is given individually for every user that logins, and it is stored in the database. So this is now fetched. You can add task using the plus button. You can give it name of the type of task. For example, if you are doing a particular set of tasks, you can name it as school task and give it the particular name. And once added, it gets added. You can add individual task within school task. For example, do homework. That could be a task, or it could be play games. That could be a task, and these could be done and checked in, and these are all updated in the database. This is the database, and this was the user which is now created. This is the user ID. These are the completed task which has the data of if it is completed or not completed based on the true and false values. This has the index. The index is used for fetching the API data for this particular profile picture, and the basic tasks are given over here. You can add multiple tasks, and you could do that. For example, if there is college, you could add a college task, and you can add a particular play games or something, or some other if at all you want to do a project, you can just give that, and you could just add that. That could also be added, and the similar will be added over here in the database as well. I have used the Firebase and Firestore database authentications for the authentications and the database part. And this design is completely responsive. As you can see, it is being responsive in the mobile version as well. And you can see all over here. If possible, I could log out and I could give a login. Uh, Here there is a login being given and a particular password. Once logged in, the same data is retrieved from the database and it is added to the profile. So you could see it is fetched from the database, and you could see the status of the task is the same. And that concludes my project, and this is the data code for which it is done. I've coded the entire part in Next.js using Firebase authentications and database. This is the login page which has the code for the logging in mechanism using the sign in with email and password from the Firestore database, Firebase. This is the sign up page which handles the sign up and pushes the values to the database. This is the dashboard, the main dashboard application where the entire display has been happening. I have been using the Hero UI, which is a template library within a part of Next.js, which is used for developing components, and which is used for easy development of the front end. I've used Hero AI over there, and list box is basically this particular box which is created once the plus symbol is the action is done over here. And add task is used for adding individual task within a list box. For example, if at all I give a new task over here, let's say school task involve listening to teacher. If that is added, that gets added using the add task component. And the nav bar component is simple. It just displays a nav bar. It has the function for getting the details of the profile pic. The profile pic actually it's done on a little bit complicated manner. Here I'm using a local storage data to store the URL which is fetched from the index. First, the program fetches the index from the data, this from the database, this index, and once the database is fetched, it is stored in the local storage, which is then pushed on to the nav bar, so that it could get the item from the database, and it could set the profile picture. So that is how the profile picture is set. There are a few more tasks to be done. For example, I have to enable the edit option to edit the task, and I have for now set the model for adding additional details to task, like setting a reminder or setting some description, which could be done in at the later stage of this project. That is all for now. Thank you for providing me with this opportunity, and that is my demo.